Hey y'all, today we are taking a look at the Dream Factory's roller tool. I purchased this from their website and the shipping was quite exceptionally fast. The first thing you're going to notice is the sheer weight of this roller tool once you hold it. The side of the brass alloy roller has their logo, and then the handle is made of aluminum with an anodized surface. This small roller weighs in just over a pound at 17.65 ounces. The roller's total length is 6 1/4 of an inch. Inside the roller, there are 2 bearings, which makes this so smooth to spin, and it makes absolutely zero sound. The corner edge of the brass roller is also rounded to prevent scratches on your leather. So how the handle is attached to the brass roller is only by one side attachment. All right, you guys, let's talk about this small little roller from Dream Factory. Now, I do wish I had the large one next to it side by side so I could see like the width and the weight comparison. But as it stands, the small one is all I really need for my purposes. And I am so upset that I did not have this tool sooner. This is just a stunning tool, you guys. I cannot recommend this tool for your workbench. And just listen to this. There's no sound. It doesn't even make any sound when it slows down. It's phenomenal. It's done everything I need so far. The weight of it is just, it's more shocking than you think when you pull it out of the styrofoam packaging. You're just like, whoa. Yeah, you guys, 100%, 2 thumbs up. This is a grand slam product right here. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.